Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is the Gunslinger from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed and get started with the Plague Brown for the base, chaps, waistcoat and hat. This looks a bit weird when they're all the same colour, but once the wash goes on and the highlights go on, these separate out quite nicely. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get the shirt base coated with Ivory Tusk. For the jeans and single shoe, I went with Wizard Grey for the base coat. Getting the leather belts done now, I grabbed Dust Bowl for these. All of the skin now gets base coated with Vampire Fang. To start off the highlights, I used a white star to cover all of the raised folds on the shirt. Now for the main highlight of this mini, I grabbed Cork Brown, went over the chaps, waistcoat and hat. This is mostly for the flat areas and some of the raised parts. I don't go over every raised part though, as I want the variation, as this just sells that leather look a little bit more. Pushing up the skin, I went over the raised parts with Bonewhite. For the metal parts, I used plate armour over everything. Getting the wash on the mini, I used light tone wash over everything and just picked out all of the parts that are pulling a bit too much. To finish the base, I added some Sandy Desert texture paste. As with all my current zombies, I had some vampire thirst blood effects. And that will be it for the Gunslinger. He was done a lot faster than I expected him to be, but I think for a mini that took less than 20 minutes of painting, he came out pretty good. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.